Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I feel like my septum is mad crooked. Just bother me. Alright, so my hair's a little bit decent for now. It's a mess. But today I'm going to be getting ready to go to my cousin Raccoon's birthday party tonight. His birthday is actually going to be Monday, Juneteenth. So make sure when this comes out on his birthday, you give him a happy birthday in the comments down below for me. But I am on a time crunch. I have to leave the house in 2 hours. So this is gonna be a quick video. We're going to do I'm gonna do like a green smoky eye with glitter because it's pretty easy and he's having an all black theme.
If it sounds like I'm talking fast, maybe just listen slow.
But I am in a rush, so let's get into it. Brows done, lids primed. Let's do this quick. Yo, guys, I think it was my last video where I'm wearing purple. I had shaved my face before that and I cleaned up around my eyebrows. Did not even realize I shaved off part of my eyebrow in the beginning, like here on this one. I was like, I literally looked in the mirror after I filmed. Like I didn't even notice it in editing. And I was just like, and I was like, whatever, it'll grow back. But yeah, the brows are done. So this is not gonna, you guys know Get Ready With Me is not a formal tutorial and I am actually in a rush. I have like a new setup kind of. I'm trying to rearrange this room. So I'm just getting pieces little by little that I need. So it is a mess in here, but I do have a bigger table so I don't have to reach over by my mic or try not to make as much noise. But I am trying to be louder so that the mic picks up my voice because it is a little farther away. But y'all, let's go. So, Paradise Islands palette, Nomad Cosmetics. Again, guys, I'm doing a green smoky eye. So, I'm going to do this green glitter. It's like a forest green. This is going to be a pop of color. I want to do something that's going to match the lip that I'm going to use as well, which is also going to be green. So, I'm stuck between Tiki and Lizard. You guys can see Tiki's like a lime green and Lizard is like a forest green. I think I might want to mix them just to see how they look. The goal is to have a smoky eye that matches my cousin's hair. Yeah, so large fluffy blending. I'm gonna actually, let me start with the lighter one and then dip into the darker one. Maybe it'll get the color that I want. Whoop. But yeah, it's not a hard smoky eye. Ew, looks a little muddy. My brush is still a little wet because I washed it because last minute I realized that I need to film for this because I need a video for Monday. So this is actually being filmed on Saturday. The only good thing is that I don't have work on Monday, so that's cool. Y'all, let's talk about it. I'm not gonna say too much because I don't know who's watching or what. I think this is good. Mixing the two colors actually worked out well for me, so just building it up. I don't need to really go too much on the actual lid because I'm going in with a black, but I think that's a good color. I'm going in with a black gel eyeliner. That's how I like to do my smoky eyes now. It's just a lot easier and it gives a real intense look. So that's popping. But y'all, thank you for all the well wishes. Last Get Ready With Me, we talked about it and I was applying for a new position because I needed to get away from my supervisor and I got it. But it was just a very underwhelming moment. The salary offered to me was not at all what I thought it would be. So it's not even much more than what I'm making now. So that was a huge letdown. It was. And it almost made me like I almost did not take it. Right? Is that good enough, y'all? It's just so much easier to blend on my little eye. But yeah, almost did not take it because it just wasn't enough money for me. So I'm just going to be going into this LC1 brush. This is the Lucky Charms X Morphe brush that came from that collab. And this is a Ruby Kisses HD gel liner in rich black. So that's what this is. I also have a turquoise one and it's very pretty. It's just, I like to use it better for my smoky eyes other than a liner. But when I had this for years, y'all. The same one for years. Like if it expired, I couldn't tell the thing. because it's just so good and it's so creamy. So I'm gonna put some on this brush, you guys can see, and I'm going to work it up from the lash line to like mid crease, I guess. But yeah, y'all, I got the position and I wasn't really happy about it, and I almost didn't take it until I found, look, you see how intense it is, and then we just work our way up. Till I found out that basically it was made to seem like I applied behind their backs, and basically that I'm not a team player and on some sneaky shit. When I notified them immediately before I even applied, and I sent that email to HR, and if I didn't have someone in HR to have my back, then it would look really, really crazy. And it was, I just could not believe that the way these people have moved. But yeah, I'm getting out of there. And I'm basically just going to take the experience and like learn and then move on to get what I really need to be getting paid, because I have an expensive hobby. I did a canopy course on Thursday. It was expensive. 5 jumps in a day. I haven't done 5 jumps in a day since the day I got licensed, and it's extremely taxing. But I did get to jump my own gear. Finally, I said I was trying to work up to it. I did it, and not bad. I do need to work on my landings and my flare time, and I just have new things to practice after having done this course, so that's really, really good. And you know, step closer to getting that other license. But yeah, definitely going to be a lot better. Well, a lot cheaper for me now that I'll be jumping my own gear. I would show you guys videos, but my landings were not good, and the wind is still knocking me around and beating me up because I'm so light on a big parachute, even though I did go a size down. So yo, craziness. But yeah, those things have happened. But yeah, this is a quick eye look. I just wanted to get ready with you guys just so I have something to film, and of course try to get a little bit of behind the scenes for the party and stuff. Since I live so damn far, I gotta get ready so early. But yeah, that's about fine. I'm gonna start on the other eye just to blend it out. I don't know how I do know how I'm gonna like blend it at the crease. I might use a smaller brush, but yeah. Do you see how intense that is? It's gorgeous. And I love it. So I have done it where look at that, foolish girl. Foolish. This is why I do my base last, because I do stupid shit like this. But yeah, just stuff going on, man. But yeah, every time I tell somebody, they're like, how can they do that? And it's just like corporate bullshit, corporate politics, just like shitty. It's so crazy how you become an adult and you work a corporate job, and it's just like kindergarten, where you have, look at me fucking up, you have stupid shit like this that happens, and then they try to reward you with pizza. The worst. But it's crazy, man. It's so crazy how they really tried to do your girl. See, I want to smudge it like that on the other one. It's just like I have a lot less eyeball over here. And sorry if the mirror's like in the way. I'm doing the best I can, y'all. I'm sorry. This is why I need a new setup. And I am trying. See, that's not bad. So I'm just gonna go back over here and try to like, cause it does dry down fast. But I'm using like the edge of this brush to kind of blend it out and smudge it out. Because I don't need it to be perfect. It's a smoky eye. We want to look grungy and dirty and I don't know. I'm sorry. But yeah, I just feel like everything was just trash this week. I mean, getting to jump my canopy was exciting. So that's not bad. And I didn't hurt myself, even though it looked like I did have some harder landings. And they're like, God, you're tough. And I was like, listen, it's been me and my brother for a long time, and all of our guy friends that we grew up with. Yeah, this is how it's gotta be. Rough out here. It's the truth. What F. But I'm trying to just blend it out, make it more smoky like this one on this side. But it's not gonna take too long. Just don't want it to look so neat. You guys know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. But yeah, how's you guys' week going? How's your Juneteenth? I hope most of you have the day off. I do. But yeah. Oh, the other thing, my damn registration and my temporary place. That was a thing. the damn dealership didn't call me to tell me when my plates came in, so I have to call them. They're like, oh yeah, you should really come and pick it up. You have what, such and such and such and such. And I'm just like, no, you guys should have called me when it came in. So you're gonna FedEx it to me. And they did, no charge to me. And I got them like the next day. But like, my registration at the time of filming, it expires, I think it expires like Sunday, my temporary plates and registration and stuff. But it's just like shitty of you guys to do that. Like, come on. Stay on top of it, because I can get, it's not even a game in New York. You'll get a ticket quick, fast. All right, so I think that's good for this. That, and I have to get an inspection. And when I looked at the paperwork, when they sent it to me, I'm just gonna use this brush. Oh, actually I lied. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E36 in the same colors, Tiki and Lizard, just to clean up the crease. But like, just to be a little bit more precise, because I don't really want a lot of fallout to happen onto that black liner. But yeah, that's how they did me, like, dirty, and put me in a situation where I could have gotten a ticket for riding without like inspection or registration, like, but I gotta figure it out. And then like, my car has tints on it, and tints in New York is like, but I think I may, if I get a note, because people have asked me, if I get a note from my neurologist, I might be able to keep my tints and probably get like darker tints. Because I do have a headache condition, and light definitely affects me. If my headache is really bad and it's nighttime, yeah, it sucks. So that may be a thing. But look how we look. I like it. Just gonna go out, just try to make it a little bit more smoky up here. But y'all, this is gonna be easy. Time check. All right, it's 5:19. I have to pick someone up. We decided on a meet-up point because I live just so far and they live far. We chose a meet-up point. That meet-up point is still an hour and a half from me. So, yeah. But it is in Queens, closer to where the party's happening. Where the party at? So it should be fine. It should be fine. I just need to be... I ideally have to leave my house in a little less than 2 hours. And I need to get gas, so... Shit. And I have to figure out an outfit because I wanted to wear shorts, and the shorts that I ordered, they came and they were not the right size. So just a lot. So, sorry. So this is just my NYX glitter primer. You have a flat synthetic brush. I'm gonna put some in the middle, like I do with the Halo Eye, because I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on this. I should have mixed my black glitter with this, but I didn't. So we're just gonna put right in the middle. Like that. And then I'm probably gonna be, the eyes will be pretty much done after that, and then I can come back and show you guys the final look. And I guess by then I should have decided on an outfit. I think I'm gonna wear black pants. I have these beautiful boots that I ordered because they look like Megamind's boots from like the final fight. The black with the buckles and the spikes. And I really wanted to wear that, but weather's crazy here. It's all over the place. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do. So this is from Jelly Pom Pom Cosmetics. This is a loose glitter. It is an ambient. Now I searched through all of my glitters just to find. I knew I had a loose glitter like this, but the one that I remembered was avocado jam, and it was just really like, oh, it's brand new. Okay, I've never used it. I have so many of these things, and they come in clutch. They actually stay in my traveling makeup kit for when I have shoots and stuff, only because you never know what is going to be asked of you, what you're going to need. It's just, now people are like, oh my god, why you bring that? I'm just gonna put a little glitter on the brush, a little glitter primer on the brush so that I can pick up the glitter. But yeah, and of course you know me shaking it in the top just to be a little bit easier for me. But yeah, people are like, oh my god, why are you bringing that huge case? I can't believe you brought the whole case. And then there's something in the case that I need because they changed their damn mind. Always happens. But here we go. Just in the middle. Nothing too bad or too crazy. Sorry about the mirror. I'm trying, okay? Doesn't even need to be neat. But I think that's enough because I don't really want it to be too... You know, you guys are great listeners. Comment down below if you got this far. Say green glitter. Because people do that to see how far people got. So I just want to see what y'all doing. I'm going to put a little bit right there. What do you guys think of that? I don't know. I feel like it might be a little bit too much, only because now that I thought about it, I should have mixed it with my black glitter. Oh, like I'd like to do normally with any. Why did I just pick that back up and just get glitter everywhere? I meant to pick up my gel liner because I just want to get a little bit more of this and just cover up some of that glitter just a little bit. I just feel like it might be a little bit too much. I don't know. I don't really have time to be making these changes, but I just want it to be a little bit
pull up Rusty
less. You more in the center and fixing it up. But yeah, so it's been a week, y'all, and I think this is pretty. All right, so that's it for the eye. Pretty much, I'm going to now stop making noise. I'm gonna now off camera just finish up and get ready. I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Hopefully, will have decided on an outfit by then because I don't have no time. So yeah.
This right here is my mug. In slow motion, my mug. A beauty shot you can't compare to. So book me and I'll do it for you.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I actually made really good time because the look is super simple. And it only required 2 shadows, normally 3 because I mixed them. But this is really it. Even with the glitter, I feel like I did that. In the waterline, I did go ahead and use my Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner. This one is in, I never know the names of these, Magic Mint. Even though it's more like a lime green, I just felt like it was a good pop of color. It's almost the exact same color as the Tiki shade in the Nomad Cosmetics Paradise Islands palette. As you guys see, I did find something to wear. I just said, fuck it, and I'm gonna wear pants and some over-the-knee boots. That I posted in my story on Instagram. If you're not follow me on Instagram, I'm trying to be more active. I know it was my fault, but yeah. The lips. Now, the lip combo is just a black lip liner paired along with this matte green Mine liquid lipstick. It's just so creamy, and every time I think about the samples, because this is a sample for the line that I wanted to drop, I just think about all the bullshit that I had to go through, that I'm still going through just to get my brand off the ground again with this rebranding. It's just awful. It is. But I'm so surprised at the time that I'm making, yo. So surprised. So I'm probably just gonna head out a little bit earlier. My hair, I just said F it. I don't really care. I did go in with my Pro Light Fusion #1, I think, or 2 by Makeup Forever. That's the highlight. This is the gold one. I just felt like I could have used my regular highlight that I love, the Hot Shot, because it just didn't work. It's looking almost exactly like my anti-Valentine's Day look, but with green instead of red. But I really love it. If you guys like the look, let me know in the comments down below. If you like the video, like the video. I can't make this too long because I do have to go. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to throw in some clips of the party. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us because it is in the backyard. But yeah, I'm hoping it goes good. And happy birthday, Raccoon. It's also my father's birthday, so we're going to give him a happy birthday in heaven. Thank you, guys. But that is it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. But if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.
Happy birthday, dear
That's on French fries. That's on French fries.